Thank you for purchasing the MPress heat press machine. Once you've unboxed your heat press, take a minute to familiarize yourself with the different parts of the machine. The first thing you'll need to do is set the pressure to a good starting point. Perform a paper pressure test by placing a sheet of paper onto the front of the lower platen and closing the press. If the paper slides out easily, then the pressure is set too low. Increase the pressure by turning the pressure adjustment knob clockwise while the heat press is in the open position. The heat press should still be able to close relatively easily, but the paper should no longer slide out. Make sure that all sides of the lower platen have proper pressure. Next, plug the heat press directly into an electrical outlet. Do not use an extension cord or power strip. Also, always unplug the heat press when it is not in use. Every MPress comes with an internal fuse that will protect the machine from electrical surges. Flip the red rocker switch up to power on the machine. Press the set button on the digital computer gauge. This will allow you to set the temperature. Pressing the set button again will allow you to set the time. Pressing the set button a third time will bring you back to the real-time temperature and your heat press will begin to heat up. Your heat press is now ready for use. If you have any questions regarding your MPress heat press machine or heat transferring in general, please visit support.heatpressnation.com.